Hey, what's up you guys? Tim Trevathan with Trevathan Homes here on a beautiful day in Dacula. This is the Porches at Mobley Lake. You can see there's an empty lot for sale right behind me. There's about 20 lots available. And this is a great community in Dacula for a couple reasons. One, as you probably know, there isn't much new construction with big lots. These are half an acre to 2/3 of an acre big. Now you might be saying, what's the catch, Tim? They are on septic tank, but most of the new construction in Metro Atlanta that are gonna have lots this big are on septic tank. Don't let that scare you though, because as long as you properly maintain septic, it can actually come out cheaper because you don't have that sewer cost. And you know, if you got a big family, that's where you want to make sure you service it every 3 to 5 years. Anyway, these lots starting at $550,000, going from 2,400 square feet to about 3,500 square feet. You got a lot to pick from in terms of house and in terms of lot size. You've got 3 lakes too, which is pretty awesome. So you got a lot of cool features, and it's not far from Dacula High School, Hebron Christian Academy if you want a private school option, as well as Kroger and Publix nearby, and very close, just minutes away from 316. So you can hop right onto that highway and go to your destination. Let's check out more about this community. Hey guys, it's Tim Trevathan. Like I was saying, this is the Porches at Mobley Lake, and this is a brand new construction community. Well, I wouldn't say brand new, it's been around for a little while, but they are very nice homes that you don't want to miss, and these are located in Dacula, Georgia. And the Porches at Mobley Lake, built by EMC Homes, has a couple features that I really like that I haven't seen in other new construction communities in a while. For example, the lot sizes are a half an acre to 2/3 acre in size, which if you know anything about new construction, as beautiful as they are, brand new, a lot of times they're on lots that are really small. You get a small backyard, small front yard, but these lot sizes are huge. The last time I've seen lot sizes this big were in Cumming, but those homes were made by Toll Brothers, and starting prices were in the $800,000 to $900,000 range, sometimes in the $1 million range. But these are starting around $500,000, and really after you choose upgrade options and whatnot, the price you're looking at is between $549,000 to about $650,000. Speaking of upgrades, typical amount of upgrades on average that consumers are spending money on, it comes out to about $40,000 and about $30,000 on the low end. What does that mean? Well, the base price, for example, on their lowest price home, the ranch called the Kensley, which is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom home with 2,401 square feet, is $509,900. If you took that base price and you added options, some of their biggest expensive options would be like a covered patio, for example, or a study room where they've got it decked out with different kinds of options that other communities, they don't have that choice like D.R. Horton. Well, it could quickly go up in value as far as your purchase price and value if you're to sell. But that's just something that you want to be aware of. When you see the base price online, you got to add in the upgrades, and after that, that's your final price. Now, the other thing that some people may or may not like, and I alluded to it earlier, is the septic tank. So you'll see this large green circular top that is the entry point into the septic tank. As long as you get it serviced every 3 to 5 years, you're gonna be fine. And so there's a lot of, I guess, stigma about septic tanks that it's not good, but it's not a bad thing as long as you have it maintained. There are a total of 45 home sites. There are 20 sites left. The HOA fees are $1,500 with a one-time initiation fee of $1,500. There is a cabana with a swimming pool and a shower room with some green spaces and 3 lakes, which you don't normally see with new construction being right next to a lake, whether it's natural or man-made. This is zoned for the Dacula High School District, and you've got some good things nearby, such as a Kroger, Publix, some shopping and dining options, as well as you're very close to Highway 316. You've got a total of 6 floor plans. So like I mentioned earlier, the lowest base price and smallest floor plan is the Kensley, and you've got other ones like the Baldwin, the Elizabeth, the Cardin, the Garrison, and the Dawson. And so you're looking at the biggest floor plan. The Dawson has 3,474 square feet. And you're gonna see the model home in a second later on, which is the Baldwin, And that is one of their best selling, I would say best sellers, because of the price point with what it has to offer. In terms of building a home from scratch all the way to completion, you're looking at about 10 months. Now that's if you include 5 months of permitting and then the actual build time, which is 5 months. So in other words, if you bought a pre-sale means you got the benefit of choosing the lot you want, but then they may not start building until 5 months later because they have to go through permitting. But if you buy an inventory home, that means that basically they've already chosen the options for you. So you don't have the benefit of being able to choose your options, but you can close sooner. So that could be 5 months or less. And so some of those right now that they have for sale, for example, is Lot 8, the Baldwin Plan, and that's priced at $524,900, move-in ready to go, and that's a model home. And we're gonna take a look at the model home in a second so you can just see how beautiful it is from the inside and what you can expect from other homes if you were to purchase in this neighborhood. Now, as far as preferred lender incentives, with a full price offer, it's a $10,000 credit in any way, shape, or form, whether you want to take it off the sales price or if you want to just add it as a credit towards your closing costs. And this is even with cash buyers, you can still get this incentive, which is great because sometimes the lender incentive comes off if you become a cash buyer because you're not getting a loan. Now again, you have the choice to pick options. So whether it's a covered back patio, a 3-car garage, or different kinds of flooring, countertops, or cabinets where you can choose either a level 1 all the way up to a level 3 in all of these different kinds of options, as well as appliances, that will determine your final sales price. Now, if you're looking about how to buy a home, a new construction home, and you're just not sure where to start, well, take a look here at these 2 videos that I've done, parts 1 and part 2, step-by-step process on how to buy new construction. I cover literally everything that you could ever imagine about what it takes to buy a new construction home in Georgia. And I also let people know, as I do in this video, that I represent clients buying new construction. So give me a call if you're looking to tour a new construction house, want help in the contract process. I'm your guy that can represent you. Hope you enjoy this video. Take a look at the model home tour, and I'll catch you on the next one.